Hi guys, so I just ordered my Tesla Model Y in November 2021, and 4 months later I received my uh, Model Y in March 2022. I just want to show you guys the build quality of this car. Overall, the build quality of this car has been great. By the time I pick up, I didn't find any issues at all. So I just want to show you guys. So the front hood, the panel gaps are pretty good. And these are decently flush. Lights, all this seems fine. The passenger side, the gap, the door gaps here, and these door gaps, these are inline pretty well. And gaps on the back. All this seems to be pretty well. That's flush, looks good. And that's the back of the car. That's the panel gaps here. Panel gaps here, no issues. The front door seems to be symmetric. Not much issues here. Pretty flash. That's good. This gap, it's pretty flash. The gap looks kind of big, but it's normal. This panel gap. This driver's side, pretty flush. The driver's side door. Looks pretty good. Here's the build quality of the interiors. The door, it's all well built. I don't find any gaps or stains anywhere. It's double pane glass. No real issues. This is the mat I installed myself. That's no issue. On this side, no issue. Windows, no issue. You can see all these panels are installed firm. I can move it. That side, it's installed pretty firm as well. Things on the top, that's naturally wobbles because of glass. I don't really see any issues for this car. That's driver's side doors. All things feels firm. Like gaps here. And all these feels like it's installed properly. That's for the driver's side. All these panels feels like it's installed right. Yeah, so overall, I didn't find an issue with my March 2022 Fremont build Tesla Model Y, and the reason from my time of my order to delivery is only 4 months. It's because I ordered FSD, even though this is a long range, not a performance, but wait time is still shortened because of FSD. All the scary videos I watch online about how people's Tesla build quality was terrible, that kind of made me worried a little bit and created my checklist. But when I'm there, it's like I couldn't find any issues, so just drive off. So I'm pretty happy with that so far.